We miss the juicy Italian sausages so much in our family. Where we live, we cannot find them, and the only option is to make them at home. But what if casing is nowhere to be found? Mom had an amazing idea. Keep watching till the end for a delicious sausage-based pasta recipe explained step by step. If you want to cook with us, get ready with the ingredients.
Ciao a tutti! Today I wanted to prepare rigatoni with sausages. This is very simple dish if you found sausage. But if you don't found, what do you do? Keep watching and you will see. Step number 1. Let's prepare the sausage. In the meat, I put some wine.
The ground pork should be made a third from a fat cut,
Bread, crumbs,
and 2/3 from lean cuts.
parmesan, and Italian mixed herbs. Wallpaper.
Adding breadcrumbs is very important. They help keep the juice inside the sausages so that they will stay tender and savory after cooking.
You add some salt.
Mix until all the ingredients are nice and blended.
The mix for sausages is ready. Now have to take rest for 24 hours in the fridge. No, sì, amore, grazie. Attenta. After 24 hours, I started to prepare my sausages.
Separate the meat into large meatballs. Now a nice trick. You do not need to buy sausage casing. Get a cling film that is heat resistant, like the one that is microwave safe. Put a meatball on top of the cling film. With your hands, gently shape it into a sausage. Roll it a few times until the cling film is nice and tight. Whoa, they look like they were bought fresh out of the market. I'm really sure they will be delicious.
Giulietta, you wanted to make the baby sausages? The last baby sausages? Oh, you are a great chef. Go, 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 go. Faster. Yes! Wow, the baby sausage. And now in the fridge.
The sausages are put in the fridge again for another 15 minutes to make them harder and more compact. This will help with the next step.
Step number 2. I boil the sausages.
If you properly follow the instructions at the previous step, the sausages should be waterproof. Let them cook slowly on the fire.
The baby sausage.
According to Mom, boiling at a relatively low temperature has 3 benefits. Firstly, the sausages will finish cooking faster when making the sauce. Secondly, this makes the pork safe to eat with uniform cooking. Thirdly, this way of cooking will keep the sausage tender with all its flavors inside.
Okay, step number 3. Buonissima! In a pan, I put extra virgin olive oil. I add Leek and switch on the fire. The temperature that I use, high temperature. I stir. The leek started to become gold. It's time to put sausage.
Salt should not be added because both the sausages and pecorino are already quite salty.
My mushroom, red wine. Don't need to add salt because the sausages is salty. I cook until all become brown. You break the sausage. Step 4.
When the water boils, add salt. Then add pasta. Stir for a short while and let it cook. While waiting for the pasta to become al dente, let's prepare the cheese. Get your Pecorino al Tartufo and flake it. This will be used to garnish the pasta. When the pasta is nearly done, drain it and put it into the sauce. After that, add some hot water to make it more creamy.
Off the fire, put some celery. Put a little basil. And eating time! Don't have cheese. With the cheese become, what I tell you all the time, fantastic. If you put the pecorino with the truffle inside the pasta when it's hot, you destroy the flavor. But now I want to eat them. Go for put the pasta in the plate.
Yummy! I feel like cracking the screen and getting that pasta. Cheese? Even better!
And now, my favorite step, eating! Da-da! You want to become happy like me? Then you try to prepare this dish for eating. If you do, write in comment below. See you in the next episode of Toni's Home, where every day is a sunny day.
Okay, that's a lot of info from Mom today. Let's recap. You can make homemade sausages without casing using cling film instead, but do not think of stir-frying with it unless you enjoy eating plastic. After seasoning the meat, let it marinate in the fridge for 1 day for blended flavors. Never add truffle while you are still cooking the dish, or its unique flavor will be spoiled. This is true for any truffle dish. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video and do not want to miss our next upload with more Italian recipes, subscribe and smash that bell button. See you in the next episodes of Toni's Home,
where every day is a Sunday.
Pensavo domenica.